In this video, we will show you how to install Google Play on Windows 11. Google Play has been released for beta version to use on PC, especially on Windows operating system. And for the system requirements, you can get on the play.google.com/Google Play Games. Then you can click System Requirements menu. You can see the minimum OS is Windows 10 and using solid state drive or SSD with 10 gigabytes available storage, and this is the graphic using UHD 630 GPU or comparable, and using 4 CPU physical cores, and memory at least you need to have 8 gigabytes, and also you are as administrator, and the hardware virtualization must be turned on. Okay, because this is using virtualization, we need to enable this later. First, to install the Google Play Games, because it need virtualization must be turned on. To enable the virtualization, we need to go to control panel. You can go to control panel and then you can click programs, and in here you must turn Windows feature on or off. Make sure you have enabled also the virtualization in here in the BIOS. After that, you can enable the hypervisor in here and click OK. After that, we need to restart our Windows. Okay, we need to click restart now. After our Windows has been restarted, let's make sure the Hyper-V already active. Okay, now it's enable the features, and we can go back on our Google Play website. Now click download the beta. I will put on my desktop, and you can run the installation software. The downloading process, it depends on your internet connection, so you need to wait this. It's almost done, and we can see. Okay, the download is completed. We need to wait the process again. If you ever install Google Chrome browser, installing Google Play is similar with that. We need just download the installer, and then the Google Play will install automatically like this. But don't forget, you must have the minimum requirements to be able using Google Play on Windows. The installation process has been done. Let's see. This is our Google Play games automatically run in here, and you need to sign in with your Google account. This is already signed in. You can safely close the window. Okay, let's try to close this window, and you can see there just looks good, and click accept and click finish. Now you don't need the emulator of Windows if you want play game, because Google Play is already supported on Windows. And we will continue to post tutorial about Google Play on Windows, but in here let's done with this tutorial until here. That's tutorial how to install Google Play on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.